Listen, the global debt crisis isn't some distant headline you can ignore. It's a ticking time bomb right under every portfolio, every startup, every investment you've fought tooth and nail to build. The pain? It's real. Interest rates spike, governments choke on repayments, markets wobble like never before, and guess what? It's your money, your future, your company that's at risk if you don't act. This isn't about hoping things get better. It's about grabbing the chaos by the throat before it drags you under. Right now, everyone's scared. Founders can barely get funding without sky-high yields, investors see their safe bets crumble overnight, and professionals keep watching those numbers bleed red. It's exhausting, it's frustrating, and yeah, it's downright infuriating when the system that's supposed to hold us up is the very thing collapsing beneath us. But sitting there, paralyzed by the noise, thinking it's out of your hands, that's the real disaster. Here's the brutal truth. No one's coming to bail you out. Governments don't care if your startup sinks. Central banks can only print and print until they lose control, making crashes sharper and deeper. Traditional safety nets, they're paper thin. So what's left? You have to build your own fortress, a strategy that can withstand every twist this debt crisis throws at you. First, cut the crap with blind trust in any market narrative. This debt crisis is not just about numbers. It's political, it's systemic, and it's global. You cannot rely on your local markets or thinking small anymore. If your investments aren't diversified across currencies, sectors, and especially outside traditional debt instruments, you're gambling with a loaded gun. Second, hunt for assets that move opposite to debt crises. Real assets, commodities, private equity with real cash flow, strategic stakes in companies that generate profit even when borrowing spikes. And don't get cute with hype assets or trendy sectors prone to bubbles. Play defense and attack with your eyes wide open. Third, leverage your network like your life depends on it, because it does. Connect deeply with other founders, investors, and operators who see the cracks forming now. Share intel, push knowledge, find opportunities in distress that others overlook. There's no room for lone wolves here. This crisis breaks the isolated, it rewards ruthless collaboration. Fourth, be ready to act fast. Debt crises don't wait for perfection. When opportunities appear, distressed assets at fire sale prices, weakened companies desperate for partnerships, jump. Hesitation is the luxury the market won't grant in 2024. Your play has to be fast, sharp, and brutal. Take what others fear to touch. Lastly, obsess over your cash flow and liquidity like a hawk. When the world's drowning in debt, cash is king. Protect your runway, renegotiate debt aggressively, and never ever assume new lending will come easy. Build buffers so big, they laugh at market crashes. This chaos? It's brutal, it's unforgiving, but it's also the rawest chance to reset everything, to build something no one else expects. If you're stuck waiting for a return to normal, you're already losing. The market is rewriting the rules right now, and only those willing to shed old beliefs, to think globally and act decisively, will not just survive, but control the game. So stop hoping for relief. Stop buying into illusions. Step up, uncover hidden value buried in the rubble, and build a network that will push through every crack. The world isn't broken, it's resetting. The question is, will you stand there, frozen, or move when it counts? Now's the moment to break out of policies, parties, and borders. Play the global game your way, with your partners, your calls. That's how to turn crisis into control. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and open the featured link to discover more.